All right, the second version of a pentatonic scale is the minor pentatonic scale. Now, just like the major pentatonic scale is just the major scale without a few notes, the minor pentatonic scale is also a minor scale without a few notes. So, quick little read here. The minor pentatonic scale can be thought of as the same natural minor scale, omitting the second and sixth degrees. So you take out this guy, you take out that guy, and you have a C minor pentatonic scale right here. C, E flat, F, G, B flat, C. Okay. Alternatively, you can also think of a minor pentatonic scale as how you get from the major scale to it. So, start with the major scale and construct it using the following degrees. Scale degree 1, the tonic, a lowered third, a fourth, a fifth, a lowered scale degree 7, and of course the octave. Now, to make sense of this method, you know that a C major scale has no sharps or flats. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, we need to use scale degree 1, which we have. When you see a flat sign in front of a scale degree, it means a lowered third. So this is a flat 3 or a lowered third. So what's normally E natural in the key of C major now becomes E flat. Scale degree 4 is as is, scale degree 5 stays the same, and scale degree 7 in the key of C major is a B flat. And then the octave. All right. Try not to confuse, please, this flat sign with a flat on the page. This means a lowered third. All right. Let's say you were in the key of, and the reason I say that is because of this. Let's say you were in the key of D major. All right. In D major, you have two sharps, F and C, Father Charles. F sharp is scale degree 3. So naturally, the normal 3 you have in D major is F sharp. But to lower it a half step, you need to make it F natural. So sometimes when you translate flat 3 onto the staff, you may need to use a natural sign. So don't equate flat, meaning you just put a flat sign on those two notes. You have to lower it properly. All right? When you go through these exercises, keep that in mind. And it asks you to write minor pentatonic scales using accidentals in the following keys. So you can, two options. You can think of A minor you can think of A minor pentatonic as just an A minor scale without notes 2 and 6. Or you can think of an A minor pentatonic scale as an A major scale using scale degrees 1, a lowered third, a fourth, a fifth, a lowered seventh, and an octave. In fact, I'll do this A minor one with you first so you can get an idea of how it works. Okay. Let me zoom in here real quick. A minor pentatonic. And I'll construct it both ways so you can see both thinking patterns. So when I think A minor, I think, what's in my key signature of A minor? Well, it's the same as the key signature for C major, which is empty. So all I have to do is write an A minor scale without using notes 2 and 6. So there's note number 1, there's note number 3, number 4, scale degree 5, scale degree 7, and scale degree 8. There's an A minor pentatonic scale. All right. The other way, I can erase these, and I can think of this pattern right here of 1, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7, 8. How does it derive from the major scale? Well, A major, forget the minor part, the key of A major has 3 sharps. And I'll write these down right now. 3 sharps. I need to use a tonic, so scale degree 1, a lowered third. Well, in A major, normally you have C sharps. So from C sharp, you make it C natural. After that, I need scale degrees 4 and 5, which is just a D and an E. I need a lowered 7th. So what is normally G sharp now becomes G natural. And then, of course, my tonic at the top. Okay, this might seem like it took a little more time to figure out, but depending on what key you're in, what scale you have to write, it might be easier to think of the major key and how the minor scale changes from the major key. So, give that a try, finish off that worksheet, and we'll take it up in class. At the bottom, when it says compose your own short tune using the minor pentatonic scale, pick whatever key you want, use the minor pentatonic scale. Generally, not always, we said this in the last lesson, in one of the previous lessons, sometimes any piece of music will start on the tonic, so we'll start on the A, but almost always, your music will end on an A. Or if you're using A minor pentatonic, it'll always end on the tonic. Make that your goal, okay? And when you're composing a short tune, feel free to make it simple. Use 4/4 time, quarter notes and eighths notes and half notes. Simple stuff, all right? Give it a try, and maybe we'll play some of these in class. We'll play for each other, all right? Take care. Enjoy the lesson.